All right, guys. So I'm gonna play a little snippet of a video I did on May 5th, talking about Bitcoin, showing that what I believe that was form of some manipulation is going on. There's a big, huge short order that was put in for someone trying to short the market, and that probably lured in a whole bunch of short sellers to come in, and that it became liquidity. And so let's see a little bit of that. All right, that's the part I want you to show that we can inch higher. Look who we are now. All right, the video was done right here on May 5th on Monday, and I talk about inching higher, which we've already done. Now, I didn't anticipate that we would move this fast up back into this region this early, but also, what do you notice here? We're back in a supply zone. Well, what's starting to happen with a lot of supply zones that we're starting to see is that uh, price are now acting, having different types of behavior when it arrives to these particular zones. Now, typically, whenever a price comes really, really, really strong to a particular zone, uh, this zone is not going to hold. All right. Now, I'm going on record saying that if hey, with trading, of course, you can always be wrong. But I don't care. I put my work out here. It is what it is. I could be wrong. But whenever you see a strong candle coming into a zone like that, typically it means that this probably is not going to really truly hold for the most part. If anything, you want to see price slowly grind to the zone. More than likely, if it was a supply zone, that would hold. Or if you see price slowly grinding to a demand zone, that's what you want to see too. I mean, if you look at it, this is somewhat of a slow grind. It took days for it to get back down to this area right here, which was a what demand zone as well too. Put this right. This is demand zone. That's exactly what you want to see. You want to see price do that. If price does that, then this level probably should be strong to hold. All right. You don't want to see something where it's just a catastrophic drop down. If it's a catastrophic drop down, uh, it's probably going to break through, if that makes sense, right? So that's a little tactic that we can imagine. This is a strong daily candle. If we go down to a lower time frame, let's go to the 30-minute. All right. We can see that we had a nice little uh, push up, into this area. We're grinding up for the most part, right? So, um, look at this. This whole impulse move to the upside that we now have. Now, with that being said, get back over here to the daily. All right. Um, that still doesn't negate that what could happen during the Bitcoin conference that we had. We did anticipate, as you see in the video, that we should be we're going to inch up, all right, and then from these levels, all right, this could trap in a whole lot of now bulls to come in the market to think that everything is peaches and cream. But pay attention to that Bitcoin conference. Pay attention to the summer months, all right. Typically, before now in August, September, you have two pushes, should I say, typically. So all right, Bitcoin got a push It's pushing now, and then we may get another one during the summer, which somewhere maybe in August. Or it could be before then, but after that, should start seeing some consolidation, some major pullbacks or whatnot. But pay attention to May 27th to the 29th afterwards, right? So basically going into June, July, let's see how price reacts then. Now, if price says, hey, we don't care about that anymore, then hey, we're on a new trajectory. It is what it is, and that can happen. So don't look at that. Let's look at one more thing too. All right, we got coin glass. We're looking at the liquidation. All right, let's look at Bitcoin only for right now. All right, 94% was short in the last 4 hours. 95% in the last 1 hour, last 12 hours, 94% in the last 24 hours. We got 90% was short. If any of y'all know how I trade, I'm a contrarian. That clearly just lets you know. And remember, if you look at that video that I posted right here, all right, if we go all the way back here to the beginning, all right, we're talking about there was a new, let's look, let's see right here. I don't want that one. There was a new tweet or X post, whatever, that went out talking about a new short that was put in the market. Let's see if I can. Here we go, right here. All right, so there's a well closed the entire Bitcoin short position a few hours ago. Then they opened another Bitcoin short position just now with 40x leverage. All right, they opened a position at 54.9 million. All right, so that's a lot of people who probably took that and said, "Hey, I'm gonna go short too." All right, and voila, here we go. All these people following, all right, and becoming liquidity. Pay attention. This is the rinse and repeat over and over and over again. All right. I'm not gonna keep y'all long. Y'all have a great day. This your boy E White. Like, subscribe. I am out.